In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the soft selection tool. First, you need to form a shape. Now we go to the front Z view and then we select the background and then we delete it. So that here, I got a mistake. I'm using the object mode to doing this, so don't follow me. We go into the face mode and then we just delete the back. Now we go back to the perspective mode. This is what you need to get it, and the first step you need to do. So like this. So now let us select the vertex mode. First we just highlight the outward vertex, we need to use it, and then press B. Now this is the soft selection tool. Now when we pressing B, we scroll left and right, we can control the whiteness, the edge we can selection. So when we select this kind of shape and then we pressing W and then we push the shape, we can control the edge like this to form the shader box. So this is what we get when we selection tool like this. Now when we pressing B, we scroll a bit down and then I can control just the very outward shape to get it the shape like this. So this is what we need to get it. So I hope guys can know how to use the soft selection tool when we doing our treasure box. Thanks for watching.